You started your journey holding the fingers of your teachers and your parents. Now the day has come when you have to go in the new world where you have to be independent. You have to take your own decisions. And now it's just not the time to say only Adyu, but all the best for your career.
All the best. Keep coming to school with good news that मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं वहाँ हूँ, मैं ये अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ और स्कूल का नाम रोशन कर रहा हूँ. All the best.
Remember one thing, that be disciplined in your life always, and the discipline should be internal. It should not be forceful discipline. You all are groomed in Emerald Heights in such a way that you know the value of discipline. So all the best. Be motivated. Never feel downwards. Always feel upwards, whatever may be the circumstances. God bless you.
Good evening, students. This is an era of competition. Today, competition has become a part and parcel of life. In the world of competition, to get through exams and reach the right destination is just as Agni Pariksha. So set your goals, get your priorities straight, and you will be geared for a success. Thank you.
I would like to convey my message to all those 20s who are passing out from the school. Just take care of your parents, because their blessing will help you to take to the highest top in the world. Take care of your parents. Take their blessings. That is my message to all. Thank you.
ऑल द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स. बेटा एक चीज़ जीवन में याद रखें, बहुत सारे ऐसे मुकाम आते हैं जब हम अपने आप को ऐसा गिरा पाते हैं कि कोई हमारी हेल्प करने के लिए तैयार नहीं. तो किसी बड़े शायर ने एक खूबसूरत शायरी लिखी है, बिना मेहनत के तख्तो-ताज हासिल नहीं होता, बिना मेहनत के तख्तो-ताज हासिल नहीं होता, ढूंढ लेना अंधेरों में भी अपनी मंजिल, क्योंकि रोशनी जगनू कभी रोशनी का मोहताज नहीं होता. इसी के साथ बेटा अगेन ऑल द बेस्ट.
Dear Emeraldite, all the best, whatever you do in your life, wherever you go, and trust me, nothing comes for free. So work hard, be good human, and be good in life. All the best.
Hello students, it's been an amazing 2 years we have spent together, and at this point of time I'd just like to say that greatness lies in the ability to believe in yourself and ignoring everyone who says that you can't do it. Each one of you has a talent, so do let your talent shine out and make us feel proud. Focus on your goals and work hard to achieve it. I wish you good luck for your bright future and wish you all the best for your coming board exams. God bless and love you.
डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ड्रीम्स तो सभी के होते हैं. कोई IAS ऑफिसर बनना चाहता है, तो कोई चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनना चाहता है, तो कोई बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्री का मालिक बनना चाहता है. हर एक की ड्रीम. लेकिन ड्रीम अचीव कौन कर पाता है? जो उस ड्रीम के लिए अपनी एजुकेशनल लाइफ से एक एक दिन को संभाल के चलता है, हर दिन मेहनत करता है, अपने टारगेट के लिए, अपने उस ड्रीम को अचीव करने के लिए अपना हर दिन लगा देता है, एक एक मिनट लेके चलता है. जैसे अकाउंट में होता है ना, जब कोई ट्रांसैक्शन हो तो ट्रांसैक्शन करने के पहले सोचो कि ट्रांसैक्शन की जरूरत है कि नहीं, ट्रांसैक्शन की जरूरत है कि नहीं है. फिर उस ट्रांसैक्शन को प्रॉपर्ली नोट करना, उस ट्रांसैक्शन से ट्रायल्स बनाना, और वो जो हर स्टेप पे अकाउंट की सोचते हुए चलता है, तो एक दिन उसके आखिरी दिन बैलेंस शीट मिल ही जाती है. अगर मैंने सोचा है IAS बनना है, तो आज से एक एक मिनट सोच के चलना पड़ेगा. मैं बनूंगा तो बनूंगा. ड्रीम वही अचीव कर सकता है जो अपना हर दिन संभाल के चलता है. बोर्ड के एग्जाम सामने है, हर मिनट हर सेकंड सोच के चलना है. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.
All the very best at every part of your life. A beautiful and wonderful life ahead. Don't forget that the sky is the limit, and you have all the caliber to achieve the zenith of the success. All the best, beta, and love you all.
So our young brigade is ready to rule the world. I just want to say best of luck and kar lo duniya.
Hello young buddies, you are on the verge of your new beginning. I just want to tell you, Chakde Emerald.
Students, all the problems might not have solutions right now, but remember, all the solutions were problems once. So dear students, fight for your problems and achieve your goals. All the best.
It's very true that experience is one of the life's best teachers. But if you don't study, probably you are not going to get that experience in the first place. So keep working, work hard and keep smiling. Thank you.
Alright. Dear students, don't study to earn. Study to learn. Because what you learn today is what you're going to be tomorrow. So all the best.
All the
All
best.
the best.
We love you.
Love all of you.
From my side, I wish all of you a very, very happy and prosperous life. May God give you all the happiness in life and do well in your future. And please remember us.
मेरे प्यारे विद्यार्थी, चंद पंक्तियाँ प्रस्तुत हैं। ऊंचे हों लक्ष्य तुम्हारे, पूरी हों सब आशाएं, नाम करो तुम लोगों का, ऐसा हो व्यवहार तुम्हारा, ऐसा हो व्यवहार तुम्हारा। खुशियाँ हों सब झोली में, खुशियाँ हों सब झोली में, चेहरा हो उल्लास भरा, रोशन कर दो हर गलियारा, रोशन कर दो हर गलियारा, पहुँचे यह संदेश। विस्तृत गगन उत्तंग हिमालय, विस्तृत गगन उत्तंग हिमालय, कहती कर गंगा धारा, छूना तुम नई ऊंचाइयाँ, छूना तुम नई ऊंचाइयाँ, यह आशीर्वाद हमारा प्यारा, यह आशीर्वाद हमारा प्यारा। शुभेच्छा के साथ।
Nobility and ingenuity speak for themselves. A warmingly cool good evening to all my dear students. This year has been a year of deep association and fond memories for each other. Your journey of life has just begun. Attain the unattainable. Believe in yourself. Explore the unexplored, because you have the grit and the determination, the power and the capacity to marvel your future. May you always be dynamic and successful in all your endeavors. With such blessings and best wishes, I close here. Thank you.
Hello children, I wish all of you a wonderful life ahead. Go and explore the world, which has immense opportunities for you. Don't forget the values that school has inculcated in you. Show the world what you have learned here. Children, my wishes are always with you. All the best for your board examinations.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war, you can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck, dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself
standing in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
All the best for your career.
ऑल द बेस्ट।
All the best.
All the best.
You all the best for your coming board exams. God bless and love you.
Children, all the best for your life.
All the best everyone.
All the best.
All the best. All the best.
We love you.
Love you all.
All the best. All the best.
All the best.